you're wasting your time and money at Starbucks with their $4 muffins. Let me show you how easy it is to make a bigger, better muffin for just $1.30. Don't believe me? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from your pantry. So sleep in an extra 15 minutes and get your breakfast for a third of the price. Let's make muffins. Now, to be honest, we're just making boxed muffins. But if you're like me and you want to make it with powdered eggs, it's so easy. First, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Next, you're going to want to oil your muffin tin. I just got some non-cooked straight here. Open your blueberries, muffins, using whichever box you prefer. Take out your mix. Open your blueberry. Drain the water. Now you're going to want to rinse these. Now we're just going to set these aside. Next, you're going to open your muffin mix from your box. Pour it into your mixing bowl. And you're going to want to add your egg powder. Your water for your egg powder. Mix those together. Now you're going to want to add your water for the muffin mix. And your oil. Mix it all together. Next, you're going to want to fold in your drained blueberries. Now you just, last step, fill your muffin tin about 2/3 full. Now you just put it in your oven at 400 for 14 to 28 minutes, depending on the size of your muffin. Once cooked, remove from oven. Let cool for 5 minutes if you have the patience. I usually just inhale them when they're still hot and burning my mouth. Do not advise, but so delicious.
And there you have it. Easy grab-and-go blueberry muffins for just $1.30. Save the recipe below. How long do you think these would last in your kitchen? Let me know in the comments. And follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients. And check out loadedpotato.org to see all our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependency on the refrigerator. Till next time.